Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the Taxation Laws Second Amendment Bill 2016. In my first video, I have discussed the part 1, and in my second video, I am discussing the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojna scheme. I am Vivek Nahadia. I am a chartered accountant, company secretary, and currently I am pursuing LLB. You can contact me on 880-1919-249. We will be discussing about the top 10 points of taxation and investment regime for Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojna 2016. Only the top 10 points. Number 1. The scheme is also known as the deposit scheme. The date of commencement of the scheme is to be notified. The date up to which the scheme will be in force will be notified by central government. Number 2. What is undisclosed income under PMGKY? PMGKY is the abbreviation for Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojna. So what is the undisclosed income under PMGKY? Undisclosed income means cash or deposit in an account maintained with a specified entity chargeable to tax under the Income Tax Act for any assessment year commencing on or before the first day of April 2017. What is this specified entity? Specified entity shall mean the Reserve Bank of India, any banking company or cooperative bank to which the Banking Regulation Act 1949 applies, including any bank or banking institution referred to in section 51 of that act, any post office or sub post office, and any other entity as may be notified by the central government in the official gazette in this behalf. Third point. What is the rate of tax, surcharge and penalty? For this I have created a table. Tax rate is 30% of undisclosed income. Surcharge is 33% of tax, and I have converted this into 9.9% of undisclosed income. Penalty is 10% of undisclosed income. So total is coming to around 49.9% of undisclosed income. So let us take 50% approximately of undisclosed income. Fourth point. Where to deposit and what is the amount of deposit? For where to deposit, the amount must be deposited with a specified entity which we have discussed earlier, like Reserve Bank of India, the banking companies specified in the Banking Regulation Act, etc. What is the amount of deposit? Deposit not less than, that is at least 25% you have to deposit of the undisclosed income in the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Deposit Scheme 2016, and this must be deposited for 4 years. The said deposit of 25% of undisclosed income will not carry any interest. There will not be any interest on this amount of deposit. Fifth point. Steps to avail this scheme. Step 1. Calculate the amount of undisclosed income. Step 2. Pay tax, surcharge and penalty before filing declaration. Step 3. Deposit 25% of undisclosed income. Step 4. Submit declaration form with proof of deposit, proof of payment of tax, proof of surcharge, proof of penalty. Sixth point. Will the undisclosed income be included in total income? Answer is no. Undisclosed income declared won't be included in the total income of the declarant for any assessment year or years. Seventh point. Can the declarant reopen assessment or reassessment? Answer is no. In respect of undisclosed income, amount of tax and surcharge paid thereon, the declarant shall not be entitled to reopen any assessment or reassessment made under the Income Tax Act or the Wealth Tax Act 1957, or to claim any set-off or relief in any appeal, reference or other proceeding in relation to any such assessment or reassessment. 8th point. Is the tax, surcharge and penalty refundable? Answer is no. The amount of tax, surcharge and penalty shall not be refundable. Is the amount of deposit made refundable? Yes. The amount of 25% deposit made in Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Deposit Scheme 2016 is refundable after 4 years without interest. Point number 9. Can the declaration be used as evidence against the assessee? No. The declaration cannot be used as evidence against the assessee under the acts other than the acts mentioned in section 199O of the Taxation Laws 2nd Amendment Bill 2016. But the declaration can be used as evidence under the acts mentioned in the said section 199O, like the Indian Penal Code, the Prevention of Corruption Act, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, etc. 10th point. Powers of the board. Board implies CBDT. Board can make rules for carrying out the provisions of this scheme, like date of commencement of the scheme is pending, date up to which the scheme will be applicable is also pending, the declaration form is pending, manner of declaration, due dates of payment of tax, surcharge and penalty. These things are pending as of now under the scheme. These will be notified by the board from time to time. And once these points are clarified, I will be uploading another video covering all these aspects in detail. Disclaimer: I have just shared my views on the above subject and I do not intend to provide any advice. Please consult a chartered accountant before implementing the above information. These are my contact details. If you find this video useful, please like it, subscribe and click on the bell symbol just adjacent to the subscribe button to get notifications of my new videos in future. The link of this PowerPoint presentation has been provided in the description below. Thank you.